Whole body cleanse, 7 to 21 days, the ultimate herbal detox, 40 years of proven results. Your health starts from within. Whole body cleanse is the most powerful full body detox designed to remove toxins, restore vitality, and reset your system. Backed by 40 years of herbal expertise, this formula has changed thousands of lives. Now it's time for yours. What makes whole body cleanse the best? Flushes toxins from the colon, liver, kidneys, and blood, eliminates parasites and harmful bacteria, boosts immunity and energy levels, improves digestion and gut health, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The power of nature in every ingredient. Olive oil, cold pressed, heart healthy, antioxidants that reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol, and support overall wellness. Olive oil is the greatest source of monounsaturated fat and is considered a natural juice that preserves the taste, aroma, vitamins, and nutrients of the olive fruit. It is the only vegetable oil that can be consumed as it is freshly pressed from the fruit. Studies show that consuming 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil daily for 1 week reduces LDL cholesterol oxidation and increases antioxidant compounds, particularly phenols in the blood. This cold-pressed, cholesterol-free olive oil is in its purest form, ensuring the highest quality for your health. CKLS is created to cleanse and eliminate toxins from the colon, kidneys, liver, spleen, and other organs where waste can accumulate. Unlike other cleanses, it does not cause stomach discomfort. CKLS has been used to help with stress relief, eliminating sluggishness and fatigue, reducing headaches and mucus buildup, flushing out harmful bacteria and parasites, relieving constipation and colon pockets, restoring the mucus lining, and healing the intestines. Ingredients: aloe vera resin, chamomile, cascara sagrada, chaparral, mullein, uva ursi, fenugreek, cayenne, dandelion, eucalyptus. Worms be gone. This powerful formula has been used to eliminate over 100 types of parasites in their eggs. It has also been effective in promoting healing for skin conditions such as poison ivy, ringworm, and other skin disorders. Ingredients: black walnut, wormwood, clove, garlic, hyssop, cayenne. Freedom. This herbal blood purifier is designed to cleanse the bloodstream and promote healing for conditions such as boils, chickenpox, fever blisters. Ingredients: golden seal root, dandelion root, burdock root, yellow dock root, chaparral, capsicum, garlic. 4PG is a unique blend of herbs formulated to provide the body with a complete range of essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamins: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, K, P, T, and U minerals. Aluminum, calcium, chloride, copper, fluorine, iodine, iron, selenium, lithium, manganese, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, silicon, sodium, and zinc. Trace minerals: boron, bromine, nickel, strontium, and vanadium.